Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness.
Hey guys, today I'm going to share my unboxing and first impressions of the Oppo A3 Pro 5G, which is the Oppo A3 Pro 5G is launching in the UK, US, Australia, China, India, New Zealand, Ireland soon. So let's find out what's special about this phone. MTV, please subscribe and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon for more amazing tech videos. So let's start the unboxing. Here is the Oppo A3 Pro 5G box. Let's cut the plastic wrap and open the lid of the box. First we see the phone. Let's remove the plastic cover and remove the stickers inside the box. We also have a protective SIM ejector tool, a user manual, a 67-watt power adapter, and finally a data cable. Now let's check out the design of the phone. The Oppo A3 Pro has a 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. It comes in 3 color options, mint blue and pink. The pink color looks unique, and the back has plain leather material, which gives it a luxurious feel. The phone weighs 177 grams, and the leather version is 7.9 millimeters thick. It has a hyperboloid design, which makes it very comfortable to hold even for long periods of time. You've probably seen many phones with IP68 dust and water-resistant rating this year, but the Oppo A3 Pro is the world's first phone with an IP69 rating, which also makes it the industry's first fully waterproof phone. The phone works perfectly without any issues when submerged in a tank of water for 30 minutes. Plus, it's the world's first phone to come with a waterproof warranty. Many phones come with an IP68 rating, but no brand covers water damage under warranty. However, this phone includes one 1-year water damage warranty, which is definitely a great feature. It also has a drop resistance rating with glass protection, which is 160% stronger than normal glass. In addition, the phone has the SGS Gold Standard 5-star machine drop resistance certification. This time, the phone not only looks premium, but also offers next-level durability. Although some cost-cutting measures have been taken for the performance to keep the price affordable, the Oppo A3 Pro is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 750 octa-core processor with a maximum clock speed of 2.6 GHz. It is built on TSMC Case 6. The phone uses a 1.6-inch processor technology and has the same CPU architecture as the Dimensity 1080. You can check out the Geekbench running score here and compare it with the Dimensity 1080, which shows almost identical scores. The Oppo A3 Pro is not a performance-oriented phone, so if you're looking for high-end gaming, then this phone may not be for you. However, you can still play games on medium settings. For example, King of Glory runs at 60 FPS on medium settings, and the phone reaches its maximum temperature with an average frame rate of 54.9 FPS during gameplay. At 40.55 degrees Celsius, you can play PUBG Mobile or BGMI on smooth settings. At 50 frames per second, with an average frame rate of 39.9 FPS, the temperature can reach up to 40.8 degrees Celsius, though for heavy games like Genshin Impact, the resolution is 640p with an average frame rate of 26.3 FPS, and you will experience a lot of lag. The temperature of the phone can go up to 47.7 degrees Celsius during this game. So although the phone can handle medium settings for games, high-end games will not run smoothly since it has an entry-level chip. The Oppo A3 Pro has a 5,000 mAh battery with 67-watt charging support. In the charging test, the maximum power reaches 54.6 watts. The phone gets charged 28% in 10 minutes, 50% in 20 minutes, 70% in 30 minutes, and is fully charged in 49 minutes. During charging, the temperature of the phone can reach 40.8 degrees Celsius in the battery endurance test. 65% battery is used in 5 hours of medium use. The Oppo A3 Pro has a dual rear camera setup with a 64-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel depth camera, which is quite normal for selfies. It has a 8-megapixel camera. You can check out some sample photos here fast.
I'm fading fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
The Oppo A3 Pro 5G price. Price of Oppo A3 Pro 5G is mentioned in the screen. Oppo A3 Pro launch price. In conclusion, the best feature of the Oppo A3 Pro is its robustness, making it ideal if you use your phone roughly or drop it often. It has a good display and battery life for you too, but the performance and camera are average. If you are looking for a robust phone to watch movies and TV series on the Oppo A3 Pro, then it is definitely worth considering. So what do you guys think about this? If you have any questions, then let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, like this video and share it with your friends. Lastly, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's closing it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and keep smiling. I'll see you in the next music.